Hey everybody, Darren J here with a video response to SilverPickers contest. Basically, he wanted to know what other hobbies people were into that had nothing to do with silver or coin collecting. So decided to tell you about the hobby that I'm into, which is model railroading. And I'll just start off by telling you about the particular engine that you see in front of you right now. This particular engine is called an Erie Triplex. It's called a triplex because it actually has 3 sets of drive wheels which would power the train. And I purchased this particular engine because I love the color. I like the shade of blue that they used in painting it, and this is how the actual real engine looked. This is an engine that was built back in the 1800s, but they only built about 3 of them. It is an engine that was never actually put into real production, but they did make a model of it and I purchased it, and I'll give you a quick demonstration of how it works. Also, just to let you know, everything, or just about everything that I have, can be run by remote control, and that's what you see in front of you right now. This remote control is made by MTH, and first thing I'm going to do, hit the startup button, and you'll hear the engine starting up. And as it's starting up, the smoke will start to come out in a few minutes. Of course, it has a whistle, bell sound. All that can be controlled by the remote. And I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration, have it run around the layout here. So let's start up. Start it off a little slow. And as you'll see there, I also have an operating crossing gate. So as the train goes by, the crossing gate goes down. And it comes back up. Okay, so that was just a quick demonstration of how that engine runs. Let's count that up. And it also has various scenarios where you can have the engineers talking to each other.
Yeah, I'm alright.
What else?
What was that? Oh no, we're on the ground. Quick, dump the air. Are you okay? Is that knuckle set?
Various idle sounds. And of course we have we can have it shut down. Alright, and I'm going to put this train back in the yard now. Also, one other thing I'd like to show you is that there are a set of switches. So I'll set this one up to go into the yard here. So now, I'm not going to start up the sounds, I'm just going to have the train run in reverse. put it away. And also one other engine that I'd like to show you is a subway. And if you look right behind the diner back there, you will see my R16, which is one of the trains that used to run here in New York City. And I'm just going to start that one up real quick. And I'll bring it out here in front to give you a closer look. And of course, this particular train also has a horn. Stop one of the cars here right in front. Okay, so like I said, this is another engine made by MTH, and it's a replica of the R16, which is one of the subways that used to run in New York City. And I am a subway buff. My father basically was a motorman for the MTA for 22 years, so I kind of grew up around trains. I went to work with him a lot, and that's one of the reasons that I got into model railroading also. I just like trains. This particular engine, one of the nice features about it besides the horn, and again, this is one that can run off of the remote, so I can have the horn. But one nice feature about it is if I hit a certain set of buttons, you will see that the doors open up. And this is something that you don't see on many engines or many trains in the model railroad hobby. Most people don't like subways, but like I said, I do. So I'll just run this around the track real quick. This one also has station announcements, so if I hit a certain set of buttons, you'll hear it.
Whitehall Street, last stop. Change for RR trains to Brooklyn.
Or if I have the train going the other direction, if you notice this light right here, if I have it going another direction, that will switch. And it'll give you a different station announcement.
E, local to Continental Avenue, Forest Hills. Please stand clear of the closing doors.
And I'm actually going to back the train up just a little bit so I can clear a switch. And have it go the other way.
Next stop, Rector Street.
And also what you'll see in the middle there is a bunch of other trains that I and my son run. See the back of Thomas and James from the Thomas the Train series. Right now the subway's passing through a diner. And I'm going to have it come back around.
Next stop, Rector Street.
And we'll stop here. And open the doors.
Rector Street. Rector Street. E, local to Continental Avenue, Forest Hills.
And then after we close the doors here,
Rector Street. E, local to Continental Avenue, Forest Hills.
it'll start up again.
Next stop, Gordon Street.
and it gives us a different station that it's going to go to now. So okay, you see I've stopped the train short there because I also wanted to show you in front of you. I also have a diner which lights up. Turn the diner lights on. It also plays music. Okay, and that's just a few things that that happens here on my model railroad. A lot of features that I could go into, but in the interest of not making this video too long, I see I'm already up to 11 minutes, I'm going to cut it off here. So again, that's just a quick view into my other hobby of model railroading. Thanks for watching.